Good morning. I want to show you one of AIC's most powerful features, its online and offline capability. The online and offline versions are both the exact same product. So the first thing I'm going to do is a quick installation. I'll just go ahead here, run as administrator, click yes. And of course, customers can customize the look and feel of this installation process. This is just for demo purposes. The installation process installs what we call the AIC local server module, or ALS, which is how I'm going to refer to it. One of its main features is forcing users to update to the latest version before being able to launch AIC. And we'll see how this takes place once I finish up the installation. So that was very quick. Perfect. And after installation is done, I have on my other screen a new direct access icon to my AIC local version. I'm going to double click on it. And the first thing it's going to do is it's going to request that I key in a license number. So it recognizes that I already, this is me, had already logged into the site, to the main site. And I already have my own license. If I didn't have this, I could just go ahead and create a new one. AIC would then store this information to my user. So let's go back to the installation process. I'm going to paste my key or license. First thing that you see is that as I was telling you, it's going to force me to update my local version. It recognizes that once I go online, there's a newer version or release. So before I can start my AIC local version, it will force me to do the update. So let's go ahead and do that update. So just like in this case, when ALS, or again, AIC's local server, it detects that there is a new version, this will happen going forward. Every time it detects a newer version, it will force me to update, just like I'm being forced right now. This, of course, makes it easier to control end users always being up to date with the latest release. Okay, installation and update are both done. We are now ready to start the offline version of AIC. Just going to click Start. So as mentioned, there's no differences with respect to the online and offline versions. And the only small difference is this icon right here that is added to my offline version. Basically, what this will allow me to do is, without having to leave my offline version, is go online to download books and to, in this case, install my first book. So first thing I'm going to do, I have no books from my initial installation. I'm going to go online. So it recognizes my last session when I was online. All these books were basically the ones that I recently viewed on the AIC's main server. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to download the first book. So I'm going to do, and of course, most of you already know this book is the Rug Breaker 100 RP01. I'm sure everybody's very tired of this book. I promise to change the demo book in the next few weeks. So let's go ahead and easily download this book to our local server. Just go ahead and click. I get a message telling me that the book is getting ready to download. I can close this pop-up and just wait for a new message that would let me that everything's done and download it to my local server. And there you go. The book has been downloaded. So let's make sure that everything's okay. Let's go offline. And just like with the online version, let's do a search for the 100 RP01. It's right here. Let me just scroll down. I even have the capability to check information that has been downloaded along with it. So for example, in this case, I could be checking pricing information, which was included as part of the download information for this book. Let's go back to the home page just to show you something that how easy it is to change from, again, online to offline version. So if I search for 100 in my offline version, I only have one book. If I go online, one more time, big difference is that I search for 100 and I get a whole bunch of books, right? Because now I'm online. So simple, right? Let's go back offline just to show you another one of the really nice features that we have implemented. Let's go to the book, still in the offline version. I'm going to drill down. I can tell I'm offline because you can tell it's not online because the world icon here is not active. So you see that the item, the parse list, starts with a number 1. If I go online right here from within this page and this book, one of the nice features is that it automatically detects that this is available in the online version, and it just takes me to that book and page automatically. So right now, I'm looking at the online version of this book. Behind the scenes, just to show what we are capable of, I'm going to go ahead and update this book. So just give me a second. It'll take me 10 seconds. I'm going to come back here. Again, this is the online version. I'm going to refresh this version. And now we see that there's a new item number. The book has been updated. Let's go back offline. Again, without having to leave my local version, offline version. And my book starts with a 1. So of course I need to update my book. So let's go back online, and right from here, from this book, I can go ahead and say, please re-download this book because I just noticed that it's been updated. So let's wait for the process to be done with again. The book has been downloaded. It should have been updated. Let's give it a try. Let's go offline and let's see if 0 is our first item in the list. Let's go to the offline version, and there you go. Fully updated book, all from within the same browser window. Very easy. And right before I end my demo, I finish my demo, I want to show you something that I know is relevant for a lot of you. I'm going to show you that the pages that have been downloaded, and let me look for them real quick. It's right here. I'll show you in a minute. This is the folder where the book has been downloaded. I'm going to go into the pages, which is some of the information that you're seeing right now. And you see that every single file has an X at the very end. This means that files are encrypted, in case security is relevant for you, of course. If I go ahead and try to open this up with, open with, and I'm going to try Notepad, this is what happens. And let me just bring it over to the screen. It's a fully encrypted file. Okay. I hope you all have enjoyed our quick demonstration of the online-offline version capability within AIC, and thank you very much for watching.